Hello everyone, I'm Taylor Kolon, your trusted realtor here in the heart of Central Ohio. If you're keen on keeping up with the best ways to maintain your home, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss future content. Today, we're diving into a topic that is critical for every homeowner: preparing your home for the spring. We'll walk through the top 5 things you need to do, and I'll share insights on whether you should tackle these tasks yourself or call an expert. So let's get started. Spring is the perfect time for a fresh start. And what better way to do that than with a deep cleaning and decluttering of your home? From washing windows to dusting off those forgotten shelves, a clean home feels invigorating. But don't you need a professional for this? Well, it largely depends on your schedule and how deep you want to go. For most, a weekend dedicated to cleaning will suffice. But if you're strapped for time, a professional cleaning service can be a real game changer. So next up, let's talk about the first thing people see when they visit your home: your yard. Curb appeal isn't just for selling houses, it's for taking pride in your home. Now, whether you need a professional landscaper or not depends on the state of your garden. Simple tasks like mowing the lawn or planting a few flowers can be an enjoyable DIY project. But if you're looking at a complete overhaul, it might be time to call the pros. So as we say goodbye to winter, it's critical to ensure your HVAC system is ready for warmer days. Regular checks can prevent costly repairs down the line. Simple filter changes and basic maintenance can be done by most homeowners. However, for a more thorough check, especially if your system is a bit older, it's wise to call an HVAC professional. Our harsh Ohio winters can be tough on roofs and gutters. Spring is the ideal time to check for any damage. Clearing out gutters is something many homeowners can manage, but if you spot any damage or if you're uncomfortable with heights, it's safer to get a professional. Remember, a well-maintained roof is vital for the longevity of your home. Lastly, walk around your home and inspect for any exterior damages. Look for cracks in the foundation, peeling paint, or damaged siding. Some of these repairs can be simple fixes, but others, especially structural concerns, definitely require professional attention. It's about keeping your home safe and sound, not just for today, but for years to come. And there you have it. 5 essential steps to prepare your home for spring here in Central Ohio. Whether you choose to DIY these tasks or hire out professionals, the important thing to do is to keep your home in top shape. If you prefer to hire a professional, give me a call or text and I'll get you connected with the right person for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for home maintenance tips and insights. I'm Taylor Kolon, your guide to everything real estate in Central Ohio, and I'm here to help make the most out of your home. Until next time, take care.